OVP Medical Assistance Program provided a lifeline and helped ease the burden of overwhelming medical expenses for over 127,984 Filipinos. Baby Jairo and his mother Rubilin are living proof that this hope is real and within reach. In the quiet barangay of Ringao in Cabangcalan City, Negros Occidental, baby Jairo, a 3-year-old boy, has been braving a battle no child should ever face: leukemia. For every chemotherapy session, his family had to endure a grueling 2-hour journey to the Bacolod city, holding on to hope with every mile. It was his mother, Rubilin, who reached out to the OVP Panay and Negros Islands satellite office for help. And with the swift response of our colleagues, help came for the family. Baby Jairo received the medical assistance he needed. Today, we are witnessing his remarkable recovery. He's noticeably more playful, brimming with energy, and the lump that once caused his mother so much worry has visibly started to shrink. Isa lamang si Baby Jairo sa libo-libong Pilipinong naabot ng ating programa sa pamamagitan ng ating mga satellite offices. Ang ating mga SOs, kung tawagin, ay nagbibigay daan upang mas mapalawak at mapaabot natin ang mga Pilipinong nangangailangan ng tulong. Nagpapasalamat din kami sa ating mga katuwang na ospital, butika, at iba pang tagapagbigay ng serbisyong panlipunan sa tagumpay ng ating programa. In Cotabato City, we continue to uplift the Moro community through our OVP BARM Satellite Office. Our Janaza Kit program consists of various supplies necessary for Islamic funeral rites such as cotton, white cloth, and cleaning supplies such as soap, gloves, and more. We were able to provide 50 kits in 2024 and 21 more in the first quarter of 2025 to bereaved Muslim families. Sa panahon ng matinding dalamhati, ang ating Burial Assistance Program ay nagbigay ng agarang tulong pinansyal sa 25,495 na pamilyang Pilipino. Alam namin na importante para sa atin ang magbigyang galang at marangal tayong makapagpaalam sa ating mga mahal sa buhay. Meanwhile, the Magnegosyo Taday program has blossomed into a transformative initiative that made a meaningful impact on 463 individual beneficiaries and 9 organizations, reaching a combined total of 1,003 individuals with entrepreneurial dreams. Mula sa isang simpleng pangarap, gayon ay isa ng matagumpay na agripreneur si Margie mula sa Barangay Buyuan, Legazpi City. Dahil sa ating MTD program na ibinahagi ng ating OVP Bicol Satellite Office, pinasok ni Margie ang pagtatanim ng lettuce. Mula sa pagbebenta ng 500 cups ng lettuce seedlings hanggang 1,000 cups ng lettuce seedlings kada buwan, supplier na rin siya ng isang kilalang supermarket sa Legazpi City. Pangarap ni Marge na mapalago ang kanilang negosyo at sinimulan nila ito sa pagtatanim ng mga bagong produkto at ng livestock production. Para kay Margie, hindi lang puhunan ang naibigay ng MTD program, kundi pag-asa at panibagong simula para sa kanya at sa kanyang pamilya.